In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Christmas list in Google Slides. This simple and creative process will allow you to craft a festive and organized list for the holiday season. Whether you're sharing it with family and friends or just keeping track of your own holiday plans, using Google Slides can make this process both fun and visually appealing. First, let's get started by heading over to Google Slides. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Slides website. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your Google account if you haven't done so yet. This is important because you'll want to have your work saved and accessible from anywhere you log in. Once you're all signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Now that you're on the Google Slides homepage, it's time to start creating. You'll notice a few options to start a new project. You can either click on blank presentation for a completely fresh start, or if you prefer some guidance, select a template that suits your style. A template can save you considerable time, providing pre-made design layouts that you can customize. For a more festive touch, let's explore some themed templates. A great place to find these is on SlidesGo, which offers a range of free Google Slides themes and PowerPoint templates. Head to SlidesGo by performing a quick search in your browser or directly navigating to their website. Once you're there, scroll through the options available. You can find a myriad of creative templates which can perfectly set the tone for your Christmas list. Once you've found a template that catches your eye, click on it to see a preview. If it's perfect for your project, the next step is to download it. Click on the download option and follow any prompts to ensure it's saved to your device or Google Drive. After downloading, open the template in Google Slides, where you'll be able to start adding your personal touches. Now comes the fun part, editing the template to create your Christmas list. Customize the text boxes and images to itemize your holiday needs. Add colors and graphics to make your list more appealing. Use bold fonts or festive images to highlight different sections of your list. Remember, your list can be as detailed or as simple as you like, whatever makes your season bright. Once you're happy with your creation, don't forget to save it. You can keep it private or share it with others to spread some holiday cheer. With these steps, you've successfully created a beautiful and festive Christmas list using Google Slides. Feel free to get creative and personalize it to suit your holiday spirit. Happy organizing!